Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have TZ Stellar X2 large diaphragm cardioid condenser XLR microphone. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's do this unboxing. Link in the description. If you guys want to pick up this microphone for yourselves for podcast gaming recording, or want to try out a professional microphone, alright, let's talk specs. Carefully tuned sound, balanced and neutral frequency response. Unlike most condenser microphones, this microphone does not sound harsh and will not stand out in your mix, or sound fatiguing over time. High-quality diaphragm. Our capsules are made using high-grade brass and Japanese imported mylar. They are manufactured with the most precise machinery to achieve higher sensitivity, making them able to reproduce subtle sounds. This makes it the perfect for a variety of sources. Low noise circuit. Our custom transformer-less JFET circuit is made with German capacitors and components with a tolerance as low as 1%. It features gold traces for high conductivity, great performance without distortion, and a noise floor of less than 13 dBA. High-strength iron body. Microphone body and frame are made out of high-grade iron, with a durable grill to protect the capsule and ensure that every of our microphone will last a lifetime. K67 style capsule, balanced and neutral frequency response. Unlike most condenser microphones, this microphone does not sound harsh and will not stand out in your mix, or sound fatiguing over time. High quality capsule. Our capsules are made using pure brass and Japanese imported mylar. They are manufactured with highly accurate machinery to achieve tighter tolerances. Due to their perfected design, our capsules obtain higher sensitivity, making them able to reproduce even the most subtle sounds. Frequency response and polar pattern. The graph below shows the frequency chart and the polar pattern of the Stellar X2 microphone. Every microphone will be within 1.5 decibels of the frequency response, as part of our strict quality control process. Alright, let's play Call of Duty and use microphone.
Snow fight. Alright, guys, let's get into some snow fight.
Don't know why, but I didn't have game volume. But I'll add some music in the background.
No way. Get out of here, dude. Got him. There's a guy up here. Oh yeah. Got him. Got him. Got him. Alright, your shield's way better, dude. Got him. Can't get me, boy. Too bad for the first game. Oh wow, everyone's quitting. Everyone's quitting, dude. Alright, more people joined in. Oh my god, we traded. No! What was that fool? Ooh, got me. Oh my god, he was in the corner.
For the unboxing and review if you like this video. Comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.